Welcome back to our video. Today we're gonna play Bodhi, right? Like, I don't know why it's written like that. But yeah, today we're gonna play together again and see where we're gonna end up. Okay, hurry, there's a boat going.
I'm coming. Oh no, I won't.
You can. Just
I can.
hurry, it's gonna before it goes down.
Okay. Look at those twins. Why are you standing?
What? I didn't know I was that fat. Like, what is happening? Where are we going?
I don't know.
We going to Islam.
Girl, we're going to Islam?
Okay, come here.
It's coming.
Bro. I can feel it vibrating.
I'm using my rose toy.
Oh my god, it's vibrating. The one you're...
Okay. With the scary thing.
What is that? It is a spoon.
A default.
I don't know why it looked like that.
No, the spoon.
Have fun. Don't die. You're probably going to die.
No. Come on, hands up. Woo! Oh. Hands up.
Okay, it's going. It's going. Yeah, it's going.
Oh.
Oh no. What? Not again.
Oh.
Where is it going?
Going back again.
Yeah, yeah, okay, good. It's not.
Yeah.
What is that girl doing? Okay. See, it's going well.
Yes. Under the bridge and oh.
How long is the map?
Oh, there's two ways. Oh.
Do not enter. What?
That one bear from.
Yeah.
What is it? What is
Masha
it?
and the
Show
bear.
called? Ah.
Something like that.
No.
Why are we entering if it says do not enter?
Uh-oh.
It looks so good though.
Viva mi tío. Sí, por favor.
No, but actually it's pretty. It's like it's so pretty in here.
Yes. Especially with the torches.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't think that's supposed to happen. Okay, good. If we don't get like a badge or something, I'm gonna be so mad because like we did that for nothing.
Yes.
Again.
A water staircase? I don't know how you would call this.
We should have... What is he doing, bro? He stopped the boat. Bro, what is he doing? Just leave him. Go. No, is he serious?
Why is he stepping off the boat?
Okay, now.
Oh.
What is he doing? Just, yeah, go.
Why does he keep jumping off?
Cannot, bro. Okay, now. When's it ending?
Well.
Who died? Who died? Oh my god, he died. Why are we in Egypt?
Well, Egypt is pretty. Look, there's the sun from the Teletubbies.
No way. Why is there a hole? That's what you.
I think it's going to be an elevator at the end.
Yeah.
Something
What
like that.
else? Like.
I'm so. Ooh.
Okay now. I'd actually do something like that in real life.
Yes.
Whoa! It looks. Oh my god! It looks so good. Oh my god.
It's just polka dots on a rainbow.
Girl, just. Why are we
It's
stopping?
nothing special.
I'm never playing with you again.
Wow.
Oh my
That
god.
was so powerful.
It's so cool.
Woo! Oh.
Where are we going though?
What is ew, what is
What? What was that?
that picture on the ball?
We met.
Oh my. Why did you jump off?
What is that?
Happening?
What is happening right now?
No.
Whose birthday is it?
Happy birthday to you.
I don't know.
It's pulling us closer.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
see, we shouldn't have. See, she should have stayed on the boat.
Yes.
Cause now she won't
Be more
experience
patient.
like the pitch black pathway.
Just
I guess.
patient, Max.
Oh my god. What was that face?
I just reckon.
Oh my god, Sky Jackson. Eh? Why is Sky Jackson up there? Ew, look at that face. Oh my god, Bar. No, what the heck was that? No, next to Freddy. Next to Freddy. Look behind you. Oh my god, what is.
Oh, it's a.
No. Imagine
Oh,
being.
my days.
Imagine being here in real life alone. I'd actually drown myself. Don't. Oh my god!
Oh,
No. No.
I'm sliding into.
No, 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 no. Oh my god, I thought a jump scare was coming.
Minecraft?
I was pissing myself because I thought there was gonna be a jump scare.
I thought you liked horror games.
Yeah, I
hate
do.
them. He loves them. He loves anything with scary stuff and like jump scares. He loves. this
Yeah, I
kind of
do,
stuff.
but like,
Especially like.
shut up.
horror Sachen more.
What is that? I just.
Yay!
What happened? I just pressed like the.
Oh, you pressed.
Yeah.
Oh. I wonder what would have happened if you clicked like the
I clicked on everything.
Oh,
Jump?
it's rainbow.
Not it. Oh my.
Jump? No.
No way. The game is actually so good.
Yes. Very well made. But I'm just going to spoil. I'm not going to jump. I don't trust this game enough to jump.
Yeah, me neither.
Because as far as I know, every time I jumped out of the boat, I died.
Mm.
How am I
Oh
going
my
to-
god.
What?
I'm no.
It's like a magnet, kinda.
Why is it taking so long?
Yes.
I think we'll get like teleported to like the platform where you can like launch a rocket or something. Okay, now
Yes.
jump,
Oh,
jump. Oh, never mind. I didn't jump.
what happened?
I died.
I also died.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed the video and tune in for more.
Bye.
Bye.